Press enter in default menu. Press enter here. Press enter here. Press enter here. Press enter here. Okay, here you select skip and enter. Enter. Okay, here you select beginner, enter, then select restore disk. Okay, by default this image will be selected. Press enter. Okay, destination will be selected, your local hard disk. Press enter. Oh, you can no skip settings. Select the second one and press enter. Okay, whatever you want to do, enter command line, reboot or shutdown. I am selecting shutdown now. Okay, here press enter. Sorry, enter. Press Y. Then enter. Then again press Y. Then again enter. Okay, now it will restart. Restoring the images. Okay, now it started. Once it's completed, it will power up automatically.